Hello and welcome. In both free and paid versions of ChatGPT, you can now create infographics from your existing information. Inside of GPT-4, you're going to be able to use the image creator. And to reach the image creator, you're going to click on these ellipses. You will then click on Create Image. And you want to make sure that you're not looking at DALL-E, but you are looking at the updated version of the image creator. You're going to click on that element. What you will then do is to create your image. Now, if what you're doing is you're going to be taking some of your existing information and turning that into an infographic, you want to click this button. You want to grab the file and upload it here. We're going to upload from our computer. We're going to upload a PowerPoint presentation. What we're going to do is we're going to ask ChatGPT to take the major points of the presentation and to create an infographic from them. And once we have in a very simple prompt, we're then going to click Enter. We're going to allow ChatGPT to create the infographic in real time. Now, this is not an instantaneous process in some cases, especially when you're creating an infographic, so you do want to give it time. If it does not return an image fairly quickly, what you may want to do is you may want to check to see if your memory is working properly. Now, in this particular case, it's just taking a long time because this is a complex piece of information. And we are also asking it to do something complex, which is to create an infographic. Now, again, the process does take a while to complete in some cases. And our image is now complete. We can now download the image. You will then have your PNG image. So you can take existing information. You can upload it to ChatGPT. You can write in a simple prompt to ask ChatGPT to summarize your information and to deliver it in the form of an infographic. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.